Step 3. Start a blog. Your blog is your home base for your online business. It's where you build your trust factor with your fans and customers. Blogging is a great way to establish your expertise. It's one thing to tell people you're an expert, and it's another way to show people in a non-pushy, non-salesman way. And generally speaking, in most of your blog posts, you don't want to sell things. Now, this doesn't mean that you won't link one of your products or mention your services. From time to time, you'll use your blog to promote something new. For instance, I may use my blog to promote the publication of a new book. It's totally okay to do that, but on your blog, the majority of your content will be focusing on providing helpful content that people can benefit from, whether they buy anything or not. Now, if the thought of adding one more thing to your to-do list overwhelms you, please know that unless your business is heavily blog-based, you don't have to blog like a crazy person. You can blog some meaty blog posts to provide a solid foundation and then update your blog with less detailed content once a week or even less often if that works for you. The main thing that you want to do is to put some content that will help you to be found in Google and in other searches, and it also gives you an opportunity to demonstrate your expertise.